Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to unlock skin hole for one on hole.io. Now if you want to unlock skin for hole for one in hole.io, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the way end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so you need to simply watch the video till the way end, but before that make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now to unlock a hole skin in hole.io, you need to progress through the game and reach on certain milestone or achieve specific in-game goals. Now to do so you need to simply open hole.io on a device. So I have already installed it on my device, so if you have not installed it, install it and open it on a device. So after that, this is the homepage of hole.io. Now here you need to play the game and reach a certain level, then you will be able to unlock a whole skin in hole.io. Now after that will eventually unlock new skin for you to choose from the customization menu. Now you can go on the whole button, and you may also unlock by using the coin by clicking on the option of unlock random and all. So after doing that, you need to reach a certain amount of points. Reaching a high score or completing specific challenge within the game will also help you to unlock. So you need to simply play and level up, check the unlock criteria, and also you can go on the skin selection menu and you may select the skin from there if you have unlocked it. Now as you can see, these are all the type of special skin which you can purchase through by paying a certain price. So if you want all of it, then you may pay a certain price and purchase it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.